Okay, once again, very good morning to all of you. And can anybody tell me before starting today's session that what we discussed in the last lecture? What we discussed yesterday? I would ask randomly, nobody will answer me like as it is. Yes, Leela, can you tell me what we discussed in the last lecture? Can you hear me, Leela?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what we discussed in the last class?
Ma'am, actually, I was not attended yesterday's lecture.
Okay, why you were not? Why you have not attended?
Ma'am, actually, I was in train, so there were no signals.
Okay, Chandni, can you unmute yourself, Chandni Shah?
Yes, ma'am.
What we discussed in the last class?
Ma'am, we were doing sums.
अच्छा गुड पविया कौन से सम किए थे हमने लास्ट क्लास में पविया कैन यू हियर मी टुडे ओनली दोज पीपल विल गेट अटेंडेंस वो विल स्पीक इन द क्लास इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट आपने शुरू कर दिया अटेंड ज्वाइन कर लिया बात खत्म शिवांगी कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट वी डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट क्लास वर यू प्रेजेंट इन द लास्ट क्लास शिवांगी last class yes or no let me check who is listening to me and who is not listening to me Yash can you hear me unmute yourself and tell me can you hear me Yash Chaumal
Yes,
ओके यश यश क्या कल कल के क्लास में थे क्या आप आपने अटेंड किया था कल का क्लास यश
yes, ma'am.
क्या पढ़ाया था हमने कल क्लास में
I was not present in the class, ma'am,
ओके व्हाई यू वर नॉट प्रेजेंट
because I was not well, ma'am.
व्हाट हैपेंड
I would like to share that thing bit personally with you, ma'am. I will share it in personal with you. Right now, I don't want to
ओके टेक
talk
केयर
about it.
विराज
Yes,
विराज
ma'am.
विराज कैन यू हियर मी
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you were there in the last
Yes, ma'am.
class
Yes, ma'am. I was there.
then what we discussed
Yes, ma'am. We were doing sums, but in between two times because of network issues, I left the class. So I was unable to, ma'am. I was not attentive at that time because of the network issues. So I don't remember the exact whole method and sums.
कौन से सम थे वो तो पता ही होगा ना दो बार ही आप बीच में छूट गए थे but then you should know what we were discussing throughout the class which topic we were discussing do you remember yes or no
No, ma'am.
Bhavya, can you hear me? Bhavya Detharia, can you hear me? Bhavya, you will not get attendance today for sure. Chandni, can you hear me? Chandni, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you? Yeah. You were present in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
What we discussed then?
Ma'am, we were doing covariance sums.
Good. Sneha, I guess you were you know this. What we were discussing
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
last class?
Covariance, ma'am.
Good. Right. So this will be the general practice from now onwards. I'll be asking anybody that whether you have attended the class or not. If you have attended the class, you should know what we discussed in the last class. Otherwise, you will be expelled from the class for sure. Okay, so yesterday we discussed covariance, that is measuring the variability of two different stock with each other. See, अब तक जब हम standard deviation calculate कर रहे थे, what we used to do, we used to measure the variability या तो फिर deviation from the mean return of the single security. right? But when we talk about portfolio, there is more than two security or two or more than two security. So we are calculating, when we discussing covariance, that means co, right? दोनों का साथ में variance with each other, right? Okay. So after that, and what is the formula of the covariance? It is sigma first security minus its mean return multiplied by second security minus its expected return. If we are talking about expected return or the mean return, right? Okay. Now the next is correlation. Now we know that covariance cannot be measured. Like it can be measured, but we will not understand exactly what does it mean while the figure is minus 5.06, right? लास्ट क्लास जो हमने क्लिक किया था तो उसका आंसर आया था -5.06. The covariance was -5.06. But we do not know from this figure that how is the relation of security 1 to security 2. All of you agree with this? -5.06 को आप मेजरमेंट का जो यूनिट है उसको आप नहीं समझ सकते हो, राइट? अच्छा, हमें ये कोवेरियंस इसलिए देखना जरूरी है क्योंकि मार्कोविच ने बोला था ऐसी दो सिक्योरिटी होनी चाहिए जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल नेगेटिवली कोरिलेटेड हो, एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अपोजिट हो. यानी कि अगर एक का प्राइस ऊपर जाता है तो दूसरा माइट बी गोइंग डाउन, एक का नीचे जा रहा है तो दूसरा गोइंग अप. सो इससे क्या होगा, मार्केट में अगर खराब भी सिचुएशन आती है तो इफ once price gets down you will get minimum return, your risk will be reduced, right? So अभी मुझे पता नहीं है whether this relation is positive or negative, right? So इसीलिए Markowitz have given the next term and that is correlation, right? Correlation between this. So correlation calculate करने के लिए you need covariance of two security, that is R1 and R2. इसीलिए हमने कोवेरियंस कैलकुलेट किया. तो कोरिलेशन कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे आप? कोवेरियंस divided by standard deviation of 1, that is SD1 multiply by SD2, right? तो आपको क्या करना होगा, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ 1 एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ 2 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा कोवेरियंस ऑफ 1 and 2, right? Let us see how we will do it, right? अच्छा, when you will do this, your answer will vary from, your answer will be between -1 to +1. आपका आंसर कहाँ से कहाँ पे आएगा? -1 के +1 के बीच, -1 से +1 के बीच में आएगा. जितना आंसर -1 के नजदीक उतना ही उनका नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन, जितना आंसर +1 के नजदीक या +1 उसका इतना उसका पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन, right? So this is what correlation is called. So this is how we will calculate the correlation and then we understand that how these two securities are related to each other, right? और correlation हम क्यों कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, क्योंकि हमें चाहिए, हमें क्या करना है, हमें स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो कैलकुलेट करना है. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो कैन नॉट बी कैलकुलेटेड विदाउट कोरिलेशन, right? So we will calculate now correlation. Now to calculate correlation, we need standard deviation of security 1 and standard deviation of security 2. तो जब आपको कोरिलेशन कैलकुलेट करना होगा, आपको 3 टेबल बनाने पड़ेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी 1, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी 2 एंड कोवेरियंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ दिस, राइट? So let us start with the given sum only, right? तो हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया था कि 1 जनवरी से दिसंबर का फिगर दिया हुआ है, मंथली रिटर्न दिया हुआ है डो जोन्स का और बार्कलेज का. हमने ये दोनों का कोवेरियंस कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. अभी कोवेरियंस को डिवाइड करना है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ 1 एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ 2 के मल्टीप्लिकेशन से. सो पहले हम क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे? वी विल कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी 1 और यहाँ पे हिस्टोरिकली आएगा क्योंकि हमें कुछ प्रोबेबिलिटी दी गई नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, राइट? सो वी विल कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी 1 नाउ. To calculate the standard deviation of security 1, how many column I will require? कौन कौन सी चीजें मुझे चाहिए होगी? क्या फॉर्मूला है? कौन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का कौन बताएगा? What is the formula for standard deviation? Sagar, can you unmute yourself and tell me? Sagar Somani. Sagar, can you hear me? Sagar, am I audible to you? Yes,
Yes,
Sagar?
ma'am.
Okay. आपको याद है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन की फॉर्मूला जो हमने पहले कैलकुलेट करी थी सेकेंड मॉड्यूल में?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, रफली आइडिया दीजिए व्हाट हाउ वी विल डू इट. पहले मैं क्या कैलकुलेट करूंगी?
X minus X bar.
हाँ, x minus x bar, then
X minus X bar the whole square.
good, then very nice, then what? अच्छा,
Then whatever the answer we get, the square root.
यस, वॉट एवर आंसर, जब x माइनस एक्स बार हमें 12 मिल जाएंगे तो हम सबका सिग्मा कर देंगे, यानी कि सबका एडिशन कर देंगे एंड देन डिवाइडेड बाय n माइनस वन एंड देन द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ इट, राइट? n माइनस वन से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें वेरिएंस मिल जाएगा और वेरिएंस का जब हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो दिस विल बी अवर स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. व्हाइल आई एम डिस्कसिंग दिस, मुझे एक बात याद आई जो क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में पूछा गया था आपको XYZ के लिए, एवरीडे प्राइस ऑफ XYZ कंपनी, इट वाज अ प्राइस एंड नॉट रिटर्न. आप लोगों ने उसका स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन और वेरिएंस को कैलकुलेट किया पर प्राइस का ही कर दिया. यू शुड ऑलवेज कन्वर्ट प्राइस इनटू रिटर्न, और रिटर्न का आपको स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करना होता है, प्राइस का नहीं. तो यू कैलकुलेटेड prices standard deviation. So none of you, hardly one or two, I mean 3 of you had got the marks for the same. So that was the that was not right thing. Okay, so let us calculate standard deviation of security 1. For that we will need like date table, month table, xi table, xi minus x bar table, and xi minus x bar squares table. Right. So here month. I hope all of you are calculating with me. Return of R1. I'm simply writing R1. R1 is security 1's return. Then R1 minus R bar. Right? R1 minus R bar. So I'm writing it like this. R1 minus R bar. How we will write it? Like this. Right? And then square of this. Anybody having any question in this? Let me know if you have any question in this. So month is, हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? इंडिविजुअल सिक्योरिटी का स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, July, August, September, October, November, and December. What is the return one, security one? I can simply copy it from here. So you should also do, no, मतलब आप नहीं कर सकते हो, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा पूरा रिटर्न क्वेश्चन में जो दिया गया है. ठीक है? All of you please write it down. Once you are done with this, please let me know in the chat box. जब आप पूरा रिटर्न 1 और मंथली लिख लो तब तक मेरे को बताओ, then we'll go ahead. Once you are done, please let me know, guys. Cream is done. Sagar, Sneha, Viraj, all of you are done with the writing? Okay. Ideally तो हो जाना चाहिए, but I'm not sure how many of you are calculating. Okay. Now R1 minus R bar, that is minus 3.60 minus the average. Average is 1.32. So what is the answer? Minus 3.60 minus 1.12. 3.60, 1.12. What is the answer? Neha, is this right? Yes, is it right?
Minus 4.92.
Minus 4.92. Okay. What is next? 3.10 minus 1.12. Then 1.98, if I'm not wrong.
78.
1.78. What is the average? 1.32. Okay. 6.03 minus 1.32.
4.71.
4.71. Okay. 1.58 minus 1.32.
0.26.
7.99 minus 1.32.
Ma'am, this column also you can copy from previous.
Actually, you're right. Ri minus R bar, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have got this answer as well, right? And then square of each of this. Square of each of this. It is 4.92 multiplied by 4.92. 24.21. Am I right? 24.21.
Yes.
1.78 into 1.78 will give us 3.17. 3.17. 4.71 into 4.71 into 4.71. What is the answer? 22.18?
Yes.
0.26 into 0.26. 0.067. Is it right?
0.0676.
676, so I write 68. 9.31 into 9.31. The answer is 86.68. 86.68. 6.56 into 6.56. 43.30. 43.30. Please let me know wherever I'm wrong. And 5.69 into 5.69. The answer is 32.38. 32.38. 5.83 multiplied by 5.83. The answer is 33.99. 33.99. 7.60 into 7.60. The answer is 57.76. 2.49 into 2.49. The answer is 6.20. 1.32 multiplied by 1.32. No, 31. 1.72. 1.72. Is it right? 1.72. 5.36 into 28.73. 28.73. True? Now, can anybody tell me sum of all of this? Sum of this. Sum of this. And this will be what? Variance. This will give us variance. Guys, will you tell me what is the total?
Three 340.107.
340.107
107.
can be write as 3111. Right? No, this is not variance. This is not variance. This is just a sum. When we will get variance? When we will divide it by n minus 1. So 340.11 divided by 11. What is the answer? That will be our variance. इलेवन क्यों पता चला ना आपको? Because it is n is 12, 12 minus 1 is n. What is the answer?
30.91.
3
30.92.
30.92. 3092. 3092 is the right answer. And now SD. SD चाहिए था ना हमें, तो 3.92 का square root. 30.92 का square root. What is the answer? Square root
5.56.
5.56. तो ये standard deviation of S1 हुआ. Right guys, listen. Whenever you asked to calculate correlation between two security, you will have to draw three tables. One table of standard deviation of security 1, one table of standard deviation of security 2, and then third table of covariance between security 1 and security 2. Right? So now let us draw table number 3, which will be standard deviation of security 2. Right? Same way you will have to draw the table, 4 column table. And same month, R2 minus R bar, and then square of the same. Right? Or here is my, I can copy this R2. आपको क्या करना होगा? सिक्योरिटी लिखना होगा और उसको उसके एवरेज में से माइनस करना है. कौन से मंथ है यहाँ पे? जैन, फेब, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर and December. Okay. So R2 minus R bar, I can just copy from the above table. वैसे आप चाहो तो एक टेबल में भी सब कुछ कर सकते हो, but then you should know where you are and what are you doing. I hope the screen is properly visible to all of you. Right? This is R2 minus R bar 2. किसी को कोई डाउट है अभी तक? Now can you tell me 1.10 square? Once you are done with this, you please let me know. I'm giving you some time to write down the figure, the return, और उसका एवरेज है 0.48. सो ईच इंडिविजुअल रिटर्न से आप 4.8 को 0.48 को डिडक्ट करोगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसका आप स्क्वायर निकालोगे. और फिर उसके मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम डिवाइड करेंगे. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग राइट. Okay, once done, please let me know. Then, should I go ahead? Should I go ahead? Other than Creamy, what about others? Sneha, Sagar, Chandni? Should I go ahead with Vidya? Very good. Okay. Chalo, let's move ahead. So now what we will do the square root of each of this. 1.21 is the square of 1.10, 0.09 square, 0.81, 0.09 square is 0.0081, right? 1.33 square. The answer is 1.77. 0.57 square. The answer is 0.32. .23 is square. The answer is 1.51. 1.38 square. Answer is 1.90. 0.20 square, 0.4, 0.04 rather. 1.53 square, 2.34. 0.46 square, 2.11. 0.41. Please let me know if I'm wrong somewhere. 1.18 square, 1.39. 2.28 square, 5.20. Yeah, all of you are with me. Tell me what is the final sum of this.
16.32.
एक minute. What is it? Sum?
16.32.
16.32. What is variance? 16.32 divided by 11?
1.48.
Yeah, 1.48. And then square root of standard deviation?
1.218.
1.218 is the standard deviation of S2. Now, remember, see, SD of S1 क्या था? Standard deviation of security 1, what was it? 5.56, right? Then SD of S2 क्या था? 1.21 और it is 1.22, है ना? And covariance of S1 and S2, what was it? Covariance क्या हमने कैलकुलेट किया था? Covariance of between these two, 5.06, minus 5.06, right? So the answer is minus 5.06. Now हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? कोवेरेंस मिल गया, हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कोरिलेशन. What is correlation? Correlation is covariance of S1. मैं यहाँ पे A1 लिख रही हूँ तो SD और S1 में हमारा कंफ्यूजन ना हो. A1, A is a set and A2 divided by standard deviation of A1 multiply by standard deviation of A2, right? So how we will write the answer? The answer will be minus 5.06 divided by minus 5.06 divided by 5.56 multiplied by 1.22, right? So पहले आप इस दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उसको डिवाइड करेंगे 5.06 and then tell me what is the answer. What is the answer?
Minus 0.747.
Minus 0.747, right? So this is what correlation between these two security. What does it mean? मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको बोला था कि आंसर आएगा -1 और +1 के बीच में, right? So if the answer is near to -1, that means the securities, given securities, right? जो दो securities हमने choose करी है, वो securities are negatively correlated. क्यों? क्योंकि माइनस में है, राइट? कैसे कैसे वो डेविएट कर रही है एक दूसरे से? अगर एक सिक्योरिटी ऊपर जाएगी, राइट, दोनों के बीच में नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन है, -1 के बहुत नजदीक है. देखो -0.7 इज वेरी मच नियर टू -1, 0.8, 0.9 एंड देन 1, राइट, माइनस में. सो इट इज वेरी मच नियर, दैट मीन्स इट इज नेगेटिवली कोरिलेटेड. अगर एग्जैक्ट -1 आता ना तो इट वुड हैव बीन परफेक्टली नेगेटिवली कोरिलेटेड. उसका मतलब था कि दोनों एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अपोजिट है और दोनों का चेंज डेविएशन सेम है. बट यहाँ पे वो 0.75 जितना हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. So it is a negatively correlated security. Same answer we are getting as of this, right? Okay. So before leaving today's session and standard deviation, we will calculate few sums of correlation and covariance tomorrow, right? So please refer it once. एक बार इसको refer कर लेना all of you. कोई doubt है तो बताओ, otherwise we can move ahead with the attendance. I'll take attendance and then we will be free for the day. Wait for this lecture, Ada. Any doubt till the time? This is the 8 mark sum. तो ये question आपको पूछा जा सकता है 8 mark में. Good. No doubt is there. So let me take your attendance and then we will calculate more sums tomorrow. Today is which date? 6th April. Ajal, Yash, Chomal,
Present, ma'am.
Viraj,
Present, ma'am.
Vidya,
Yes, ma'am.
Kavita, Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, Chitra,
Yes, ma'am.
Charmi,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandni,
Yes, ma'am.
Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
Rimi,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishita, Dhananjay,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvi, Shivangi, Sagar, Sagar, Leela,
Yes, ma'am.
Yash Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, Ashwini, Bhavya Kamdar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwini Aditi, is she there in the class?
Ma'am, I am also present.
Where were you when I was taking attendance, Sagar?
Ma'am,
Sagar, you are marked
low
present.
internet connectivity.
No problem. Ashwini, Bhavya is then. Ashwini Aditi. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you. I guess these many people are absent. If they are there, please let me know. Thank you all. Thank you. Kajal, Kavita, Bhavya, Ishita, Dhruvi, Shivangi, Aditi, and Ashwini are absent for the day. Chalo, I'm ending this session. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.